Hi, this is Rick Molina. I'm here with Benny. He's the owner of this truck. He's going to show us what he does to inspect the truck on a daily basis.
I go to Dallas almost every day and I see always a truck flipped over every day. I don't know why they don't pay attention.
So
after you do all that,
the truck's flipping over. Is that because of the tires or just?
That's because either the tires blew out or the guy's falling asleep. He doesn't want to pull over and go to sleep. Or he's, believe it or not, he's drinking alcohol. I don't want to drinking alcohol because they're out there a long time, not with the family. They drink a little bit, blah, blah, but they're still on the road.
I mean, it seems a little obvious that you're not supposed to be drinking.
You're not supposed to be drinking, and if you're falling asleep, please pull over. Yeah. I've been behind guys plenty of times that I see them swerving like a snake. I'll honk my horn, I'll put my high beams on so they can wake up, or either I can pass them up, but if I pass them up, you're on your own, buddy. If you happen to flip over, I'll see if he's okay or whatever. Most of the time, they flip over and they just slide on the side. But still, you want to take that chance, that's your thing. I wouldn't do it. What you want to do every day? You want to check your engine, you want to check your water pressure, you want to check your oil pressure, you want to check your tires on the inside, you want to check your brakes, you want to check your power steering, you want to check anything, any bolts or anything that's loose. Nothing's loose, close it back up. Only because I checked it today doesn't mean I'm not going to check it Monday when I go out of town. I'm going to check it again because I don't trust nobody that came and messed with my truck. So you got to check it again. Somebody came that don't like me, one of the guys in the yard don't like me, messed with my truck. I take off because I checked it today. I'm on the road, break down, flip over, kill somebody. Hey, you should have checked it.
So that's why you have to check it every day.
Hey, check it every day. The way I do it, I try to go the same way. I open the hood, I start from that side and I come around. I get my hammer, and you know, a lot of truck drivers know that you want to hear the same echo. You don't hear the same echo, one of the tires is low. So that's a good tire right there. You want to check the bolts and nuts, and then all those are good. You want to check your bolts and nuts again. You want to check your airbag.
What's the airbag for?
Airbags is for it won't be hard drive bouncing. So all of them have an airbag. But if your airbags go out because they're already worn out, a lot of guys be driving around with some of the airbags blown out and the other side is lifted so the truck is leaning. Why are you doing that? Oh, I'll make it. I'll fix it later. No, dude, don't do it. Don't take your chances. You want to check your fifth wheel, make sure everything's good. All that you want to check. Make sure everything's greased up, nothing's leaking also. You want to make sure you don't hear no air leak, which I don't.
So what's the purpose of the fifth wheel?
The fifth wheel, you pull the pin, the trailer's gonna go out. The tractor's gonna go forward, the trailer's gonna stay.
Because I have seen some accidents where this looks like it comes undone.
Well, sometimes it comes undone because they don't grease their fifth wheel. It has a nipple on the other side, called a nipple, but you put grease on it for the fifth wheel to be moving. And again, when the fifth wheel don't have enough oil or grease, it's metal to metal again. You also got to grease your fifth wheel. This fifth wheel has the grease right there. I got to grease because the chassis is on top of it. So when you're driving, it can swivel. If it's metal to metal and you're going and you take off and it's crooked, it's gonna stay crooked. The trailer's gonna stay crooked. You're gonna be driving like this. Your tire is gonna be on the other side of the guy's road because it won't go back because it's metal to metal. So you got to grease it.
But when you're sitting in the seat, do you notice that?
Yeah, you can see it. And a lot of guys say, I don't care. Okay, you don't care. You know, I'm not the other passenger. I don't care. Yeah, you don't care, but he's gonna be you're gonna hit him with your truck. You gotta knock him out. He probably has a family. Probably doesn't have family. But why you want to take that chance? They take the chance. They don't care.